Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Toyota Camry. So right now, the problem is with the e-brake pedal. You can see it's a little bit weird looking. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. So right now, the pedal, you can see the pedal, it doesn't sit straight like this, but it sits out like this to the side. So the metal could be bent or something broke. I asked the customer, how'd you do that? And he said he don't know how. He just stepped on it and then thing just got loose. And so I already bought the part for it. I bought used part for this one. Here's a used part I bought from eBay. This is how the emergency brake pedal look like. So there's 3 bolts holding onto it, one top, one in the back, one on the front right here. Now for the top bolt, my hand is small enough so I can reach in. I don't know if you can see it, but I can reach in and get the 12mm bolt. Not bolt, but it's a nut. There you go. Got the nut out. And then right here, same thing. Loosened it already. This one's a bolt. This one's kind of tight, so there you go. So there's a e-brake connector. Show you guys. It's kind of hard. So there's a connector right here. The wire, you can see the little black wire. It's kind of like a tight spot. So you're gonna feel for the tab and then press on the tab. Unlock it and pull back. Let me show you the connector here. So this is what I'm talking about. You see this little tab right here? You're gonna press on this tab right there, the black tab. Press on this and then pull. The floor mat right here under the pedal, there's a 10mm bracket holding the cable. So you're gonna remove that 10mm and then come on. Don't make this too hard now. I'm gonna work my way out. I got the e-brake down, so now I'm just gonna try to remove the cable. Here, I'm gonna use my flathead. I'm gonna pry up the retainer lock. There you go. Took it out. Now I'm gonna loosen this. This is a double nut, so I already loosened it. So take out the second nut. And I'm gonna find my way to push this out. What I did is I pushed the e-brake down a little bit, so for this to go forward, give me a little bit of room to take out the cable. There you go. I pulled the cable out of here. So for this part right here, you see how it hooks in like this? So this is my only way to get it out. So I can't pull the cable back because this metal piece right here, it won't fit through. So I have to, I'm gonna use something to pry up the, there you go, the lock right there. You see how it's straightened out? Now I can take it out. There you go. And then I'm gonna put it into the new one. Cable into my new one, same thing. I'm gonna push the e-brake down so I get a little bit of room right here so I can slide the cable in the same way and shove it into here. I got the cable in already. I need to hook this back into the mount bracket. So I'm gonna release the e-brake. There you go. Let it sit all the way back, and then that way I have room to slide it in like that. And then I'm gonna put my retainer, and then I'm gonna put the 2 nut on the end of the cable. The cable in already. I bend this back down, put the lock retainer, put the nut. I'm gonna tighten it down a little bit where it gets tight. There's not too much slack right here, so I'm gonna tighten it where there's no more slack. There you go. It gets a little bit tight. That's it. That's all I need. Put in a second nut. And then for me to tighten it, the second nut, I'm gonna put the wrench. Where's my wrench? Oh, wrench right here. And then I'll hold it and then tighten it. So I'm gonna tighten it. The wrench is holding, so I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit. There you go. That's it. I got everything in already. Tightened down my 3 bolts already. Tighten down the bracket right here. So this feels a lot more firmer than the other one. For some reason the other one feels so loose. So when I push this one down, it's a lot firmer. Okay. Now I got everything installed. Everything is put back to original. Now I'm gonna test the car. So right now I have it released. So now I'm gonna press on it. There you go. Make sure you guys can see the word brakes. It says brakes right there. So I'm gonna press on the e-brakes, put it in reverse, make sure the car doesn't roll back. Let go. There you go. Put in drive. Make sure the car holds. There you go. The car holds. You see it's staying steady. So that is it for this video, guys. So before, I forgot to tell you guys that with the old e-brakes, the part, it doesn't hold when you press it down, and then sometimes it gets really flimsy, so that's why I had to replace it. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see you on the next video. No, I'm out. Peace.